welcome back to my kitchen. And in today's video we are making this sweet, tangy, crispy, sweet and sour chicken. So let's get cooking. So let's get started with our chicken. So this is about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that we have in some bite-sized pieces. We're adding 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And guys, this complete seasoning, I really like it, so we're adding 1 teaspoon of that as well. And we're adding 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. Now once we have all of that added in, we're going to just mix it up until everything is nice and combined. Everything is just nice and mixed in. And when we're done, we take some plastic wrap and cover it up and set it aside to marinate for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna move to slicing our pineapple. Now this pineapple does not have any of the little pricklies, so you can just hold on to it and remove the head. But where it does have the little pricklies, you can grab a towel, hold on to it and just twist and remove the head. And there you have it. So we're going to slice into our pineapple. To peel up the skin. Take our knife. We're going to remove the core, because we don't want that part. Just toss that away, and then we put the rest into some nice bite-sized pieces. So we are going to be taking some cornstarch and we are putting our chicken bits, just dipping it lightly into our cornstarch so we can fry. Now I like using the cornstarch, guys, because I find it makes the chicken nice and crisp when we are doing the sweet and sour. So it gives it that nice little, crispy outer coating that makes for a nice crunchy chicken in the end. Once it gets to be this nice golden brown on both sides, guys, you want to just take it out from the oil, put it into your plates. Then you're going to fry and repeat with the rest of the chicken. Now while the chicken is going, I am going to prepare the sweet and sour sauce. To a bowl, I am adding 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of this tomato paste. Now guys, I have found that the richness of the tomato paste makes this much better than the ketchup, because it adds nicer color to it and it makes it nice and rich, so I prefer using the tomato paste. And then we are going to use 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. Now we are going to just mix that up, get it nice and mixed in. So that we can get that tomato paste to melt down into the liquid. Just set that aside and we move on to cutting our stuff. Now we are going to use half an onion. I'm using about small to medium size onion here. I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic and 1 sweet pepper. Now I like using the one with both the green and the red, guys, so that I use just this one, and we're going to chop all of this up. Set that aside. Chicken, nice and crispy and ready. Now that we have everything in place, we are going to start making our sweet and sour chicken. Now to our pan that has been on the heat for the last few seconds, we are going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we are adding our peppers, onions and garlic. And we're going to stir that up. Let it saute for a little bit, cook down those onions and the garlic a little bit. Oh, and it smells so good already. Once that garlic begins getting aromatic, we're going to take our sauce, pour it in there. Then we're going to take our chicken, nice and crispy and crunchy chicken, add it to that, along with our pineapples, our 1 cup of pineapple, and the juice, guys, because that is what is going to help with a little of the sour as well. And we're going to stir that up and get all those chicken pieces coated with that sauce, so it gets this beautiful brownish, orangish, reddish color, just so beautiful. Oh my god, it looks good. It looks so good. Okay, so my husband is trying to steal a piece. But it looks and smells so good, guys. Like, really good. Of course, he stole a piece. What do you think, Robert?
Yep. Good to go.
Okay, so this is it, guys. We are done. Turn off our heat. And this is our beautiful sweet and sour chicken. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Now, guys, you can serve this on a beautiful bed of white rice. That particular day for our lunch, we had it with some yam pie. That will come in a future recipe, so stay tuned for that. To garnish it a little, you just throw on a few sesame seeds, and that's it. Beautiful sweet and sour chicken. And Robert said it is good to go. But this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.